What's next? Oh, brushes. I don't use my favorite brush when I'm brushing out the products because it'll get all slimy and dirty. So I use a kind of throwaway brush. It's called Real Simple. I think it was like from TJ Maxx. Goody. This is like if I want to like really slick back my hair, because I always have flyaways. Get yourself one of these. Like if you wanna, you know, tease your crown, you know, kind of like do all this. This helps. You know, when you want to style it and stuff, it's got a pointy. Get this from Rite Aid, Walgreens. Then from the dollar store, I always get one of these to clean out my brushes. They're very painful for my scalp, so they're very pointy. So I use this to kind of do this over a bucket, a trash bin. So mostly it's hair or fuzz, because I love sleeping on a blanket, like having a blanket cover kind of like the side of my face and stuff. So I do wake up with a lot of fuzz, especially in the winter. Another brush that's a mixture of bristles like these and the plastic, and this is from Conair. It's like a middle paddle brush. I still use it. I like it because not only does it have the plastic one, but because it has the other, is it Boar? It's whatever this is. You know, I feel like I grew up with one of these in my house. So it helps. I like it. Next up, this is my favorite brush and it's seen better days. It's got so much fuzz. It doesn't have a name. I think I grabbed it from Marshall's. But it's a big paddle brush and it's metal and it feels so good. It's my favorite feeling. Like these are metals. They don't pop out of it. And like I brush it and it's soft. Maybe I should put my hair down. So yeah, I brush it and I feel like it just, see, it doesn't feel soft, but like it just like it separates the hair, it detangles. So I do this on dry hair. I don't do this on wet hair because I feel like it rips my hair off. So on wet hair, again, I use a wide tooth comb. Once my hair gets dry, I use the metally paddle brush. I love it. It's my favorite brush. I hope to repurchase it, like something similar.